Hey, what's up everybody? This is Brandon with Hands for You Assembly, and today I'm going to give you a tip on how to unlock any Ifit unit that you buy. So, and as you see, they want you to unlock it. To do so, you have to activate it, put your information in on the site. But I know how to unlock it, so let's go from here. So right now the unit is locked. If you hold on the Ifit button for 10 seconds, activate it. Right there, 10 to 20 seconds. If you hold on the Ifit button for 10 to 20 seconds, you can skip the activation part. Now, if you want to go and activate it later, just follow the instructions that's on the card. But that's a little neat trick. And that works with any ProForm or any Ifit. Again, that's Brandon with Hands for You Assembly. Just a little trick giving you today. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned.